What's up, guys? We're live on YouTube, back with the Wednesday live video. I'm just trying to pull up on a different monitor here so we can see the comments popping up. How is everyone's trading today? I'm going to be covering a pattern I really like covering all the time. It's actually in the flash forward course. It's one of my favorite and most kind of successful patterns is what I call a snake vwap. And we're going to be covering that, and I'm going to be showing your entries and exits on it. A lot of nice tips in the video. It's kind of consistently of how we would use this pattern to make our daily goals in the stock market, whether it be a few hundred or a few thousand, depending on the level you're trading. I'm going to be covering as well slightly on SPY what I see happening. There's a few levels we need to watch for going forward. There's a lot of scare going on about stock market crashes and things like that. I'm a big believer that the stock market is definitely going to crash. I'd say in no sooner than possibly a year or two, and no later than 4 years, we're going to see another recession, that's for sure. But what I'll be covering in the video SPY is what we should be looking for, the levels going forward. And why I kind of focus on momentum stocks and patterns all the time is, even if the market does crash, it's okay, because momentum stocks don't follow SPY. Not saying I don't trade Teslas and other big tickers, I do, but I mostly stick to momentum stocks, and they don't really give a shit about what SPY or what the overall market is doing. So we'll be jumping into video now in just a second. I'm making sure the stream is working properly. We seem to be okay. So the patterns you're going to be covering, one of them is, I'm just going to be giving you a glimpse into kind of the flash forward course. This is one of the patterns that I do cover in it. Like I said, it's one of my most successful patterns. And let's jump in. We're looking at RKDA, and what you're seeing behind me is the TradeNet account. This is the TradeNet screen you're seeing. It's a 1 minute, a 5 minute, and a daily. So this is my screen I always have up, and that's what I recommend using through the course as well. I teach you kind of how to read the 1 and the 5 and daily, and the importance of each of them, and what to be trading off is a big question you get asked a lot, but it's all in the course for you as well. So what we're seeing here, the 5 minutes probably a bit nicer in this case. The snake view-up you can kind of see on the 1 minute too. It hits above view-up, pulls back, bounces over view-up. I'm going to pull this one down a bit for you. Bounces over view again on a forward. You can there. It's pretty self-explanatory why I call it that. So back to the pattern. Let's drop it to a 5 in this case. Now, where to trade the snake-like VWAPs is important. It's quite simple and they're very easy to spot. The results at the end of them, there's preset targets what we look for. So we know we're getting in and we know we're risking off straight away. I'm going to break it down for you in just a second.